What is going on, you guys? Bash and YGO here, and today I'm back with a bit of a different type of video. This video is basically going to teach you guys how to go ahead and fix the black screen on OBS. I'm doing this for two reasons. Well, first of all, for myself, just in case I forget how to do it again. So it's good while it's still fresh in my head. A lot of you guys, pretty much all you guys do not know this. My computer recently, of a few days ago, just completely stopped working. So it's a good thing I had a few videos saved up already, but my computer pretty much stopped working. So I took the Geek Squad and they deleted a lot of my downloaded applications. So I had to go ahead and pretty much reset my computer. They were able to go ahead and save all of my files on here. So all of my, personal stuff still on here, which is really, really amazing as well. Thank you to Geek Squad. But I want to go ahead and show you guys how to go ahead and set up your OBS if you are experiencing the same issues that I was when I originally had this on. Really, this is just something that I set up and then I completely forget how to do. So this is for myself in the future and for anyone else having troubles with the OBS. So first things first is when you first set up your OBS, of course I already have it. I just finished setting it up, so it's finally working again, thank goodness. But what I want to go over is some issues that you may have, of course, when you first start off. So the first thing that I ran into is just running into the audio issues. So it wasn't recording my voice at all. So I thought that was a little bit weird. Basically, so you see how this bar right here with the mic aux is going up right now? That's me talking. So it really wasn't doing that when I first started. So we're going to go ahead and go to the settings, properties, and here you have to go ahead and click which device you want to go ahead and put. If it is default, then most likely won't pick up anything. Now I currently am using the Blue Snowball microphone, which I showed you guys in an earlier video where I was showing you guys my upgrades to the setup and everything. So that's currently what I'm using right now. So it's currently still on there, so that's what it's currently still picking up, which is amazing. Same thing for the desktop. Just go ahead and go into the properties to fix it and make sure it's not on default, it's on the speaker, and that's how it's going to be able to go ahead and pick up any type of desktop audio. That's going to be really useful for you guys moving forward. Let me see here. Now fixing the black screen it could be one of three real things that might be wrong with it. So the first thing that you're gonna have to do the main reason why you may have a black screen on your OBS is let's see. So you have to go here into your search bar, go into graphic settings. There we go. So you go to graphic settings. So once this thing decides to load up, okay, awesome. So now here we are. Now I already set it up, so it's already set up for myself on my end, but when you guys are first coming in, this OBS will not be here. So there's two options that you can choose when it says choose app for set preferences. Now OBS is a desktop app, so you keep it at desktop, you don't switch it to Microsoft Store app. It's not going to work. You wouldn't really want to prioritize any desktop apps. Next, when you go to the OBS Studio, it's going to have options here. You're going to have your let Windows choose, which really we don't want to go ahead and let the computer choose which one to use. We want to make sure we're always in control. High performance, really, if you're more, I guess, familiar with that type of stuff, it runs on a different graphics card than you would for the OBS. So it's trying to push it through the Nvidia when it really should be going through the Intel graphics card 5500. For those of you guys who know a little bit more about tech than I do, you all are going to know a lot more about the specifics behind that. Of course, I'm not the most tech savvy person in the world, but I do know you have to go under the power savings mode for it to work. Everything's set up, so I'm just going to go ahead and cancel everything so it doesn't mess me up. Next thing you got to go ahead and do is you go to the OBS Studio icon on your computer, so your desktop version, which you should have already transferred from the file you downloaded it on. You right click on it, you wait, and then you go to the properties. So properties, everything in here should be good. You're going to go to compatibility. Now, whatever Windows you might be on, you want to make sure you go ahead and switch this to Windows 7, and you want to click this box right here to always run the program as an administrator. So this is going to go ahead and be able to secure that the that the OBS is running appropriately and how it should. So you want to go ahead and click that, hit apply, and you hit OK, and you're good to go as far as that goes. And the last thing you're going to want to go ahead and do if you're still having issues with the black screen is you go ahead and right click right here on your desktop. You go to the Nvidia control panel, and we wait while it loads. Do some stretches, be more active, which I need to do, but it is what it is. Dab on them, and then we wait. Okay, it's opening. Let's see, come on, open up. I believe in you. Even though the face of my computer, it doesn't fix the fact that it's 6 to 7 years old. So it's been through a lot, and I forgive it. So you're gonna go to 3D, manage 3D settings. You wanna go to the program settings. Wait for it to load, yada, yada, yada. First things first, select a program to customize. You're gonna hit, this is gonna be just 3 little dots. You might not have anything on there, it might have something different. You're gonna go ahead and hit the add button, search for your OBS, and select that to be able to use as the, select the specific program to customize. And then when you go to your preferred graphics processor, you want to run the integrated graphics option. Any other option, you will still get the black screen. At least that's what happened for myself. If you run into any other difficulties, there's plenty of other tutorials online to go ahead and get around it. But I just thought this would be interesting to go ahead and get out if anyone else is struggling with this. Maybe had to reset their computer, or just for myself in the future. Now, if you're still running, having a bit of difficulty, just, turn off any display captures that you may have had before. I was still having the black screen after I did all that. So I deleted the display capture that I had before with this button. I added another one, shut off OBS, started it up again, and then I was able to go ahead and start recording again, so you can see all of pretty much everything that I still have a lot of stuff to re-download, but again, I got Discord, I got OBS, I got Project Ignis, so we're all good as far as that goes. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. I just want to go ahead and show you guys and myself in the future, because I know it's gonna happen again. What you guys do when you first set up your OBS, how to set it up, how to make sure that it's running optimally, how to make sure you don't run into any audio or video issues when you are moving forward. So if you guys did enjoy, go ahead and leave a like on the video down below. Go ahead and comment if you guys are having any other type of technical difficulties. If you guys have any questions about how to record certain types of videos, go ahead and let me know. Like I said, I'm not a pro, but I can figure it out and see what we can do and figure it out together. So subscribe to more videos, guys. It's not the type of content I usually have on the channel. I usually will have the Yu-Gi-Oh videos, but I think this is pretty cool as well. Just it's more informative, everyday type of knowledge. So yeah, it's pretty much gonna be it for the video, guys. I hope you guys did enjoy, and I'll go ahead and see y'all in the next one. Plenty of more Yu-Gi-Oh content coming soon.